Well, that's the breaking news coming in. The Reserve Bank of India has extended the timeline for processing of recurring online transactions up until the 30th of September 2021. Automatic payments extended after card users appealed to the Reserve Bank of India. So there are important instructions there. A new guideline that would impact pretty much everyone making online payments has now been extended. Aishwarya is getting asked more details on that story. Aishwarya, obviously this would cause fair amount of inconvenience, like many people do not use net banking services and they rely on this particular mode of payment essentially, and that's why the RBI is giving them some time now, isn't it?
Well, definitely, Sneha. The reason why RBI is now has now extended this timeline is because a lot of people had appealed to the RBI. The Association of Banks also had told the RBI it will take some time for them to make sure everyone migrates to the new system, which is why the new deadline, which is 30th September, has been given. Now, in fact, a lot of people since last night had started getting their messages from their respective banks asking them to make the migration, but now there is a breather given from the Reserve Bank of India, which means you and I as consumers, we now have till 30th September to migrate to the new to migrate. And the reason why this has been done by RBI, because we have seen over the past few months an increase in online fraud. So RBI is now making sure online fraud reduces as much as possible, because of which we have time. You and I, people who are using the cards, we have time till 30th September to make the migration.
All right, that's an important development. Aishwarya, thanks for getting us up to speed with that. And more breaking news coming in after Bombay High Court pulled out former Mumbai top cop for not filing an FIR over his charges against the Aghadi government. Parambir's lawyers argue even in the absence of FIR, the court can order inquiry if not an investigation, is what the lawyers are saying. Parambir's lawyers have accused the government of sweeping the issue under the carpet. Mustafa Sheikh is getting asked more details on that story. Mustafa, this entire matter could have been resolved with one single FIR that the court had been asking Parambir Singh to file, which he hasn't, and now he's arguing in court why it's not necessary.
Well, it's an interesting thing
Yes.
where it's placed. You know, the FIR which he's asking is against the Home Minister of the state machinery, and hence the FIR is something which he didn't try to register, and he knew for a fact that it will not be registered because it is against the Home Minister. Now the Maharashtra government has constituted a commission of inquiry under a retired High Court judge. The lawyers for Parambir who have filed the petition in the court are asking that CBI should be given this case directly. The court said there is no provision to give a case to CBI without an FIR being registered. If you would have registered an FIR, it would have been possible to give the case to CBI. Without an FIR, it cannot be done. Now the High Court has also asked the state as to what is the problem if an FIR could be registered where the police has not done its job. The allegations are against corruption in the police machinery. If this is not true, then at least the FIR will prove that. So what is a problem in setting the investigation in motion? So the court has observed things both ways. What observation at last they will make is something we'll have to wait till the hearing gets over. But yes, Parambir's lawyers are asking for an investigation, be it court monitored, be it CBI. State government is saying give us time. A committee has been constituted. They will come out with the conclusion, and then further course of investigation can be decided. We'll have to wait and see what is the end observation made by the Bombay High Court today, or it's kept for adjourned for tomorrow. But the last observation would be important to understand which way the court is proceeding. Back to you.
All right, Mustafa Sheikh getting us all of those details. Thanks for the...
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.